In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Google Sheets. Whether you're tracking expenses, managing inventory, or analyzing data, knowing how to quickly sum a column is an essential skill. Google Sheets makes this process straightforward and efficient. So let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. You can open an existing document or start fresh with a new one. Make sure you have access to the sheet where you want to apply the sum function. If you haven't yet navigated to your Google Sheets page, simply type sheets.google.com into your web browser and choose the appropriate document. Once your Google Sheet is open, locate the cells that contain the data you want to sum. For this example, let's assume you want to sum some values across cells in columns B and C. You'll want the sum to display in column D, so click on cell D2. This cell will eventually show the sum of the values in rows corresponding to the columns we're adding. In cell D2, you'll need to enter the sum formula. Click into the cell and type this formula, exa sum B2 C2. This specific formula tells Google Sheets to sum the values found in cells B2 through C2. If your data ranges differ, adjust the formula accordingly to include the specific cells you need. For example, sum B2 C5 would sum all applicable values from B2 to C5. After typing the formula, hit the Enter key. Google Sheets will execute the formula and display the result immediately. The sum of values in columns B and C for that row is now shown in cell D2. The sheet's powerful calculation capabilities make it instantaneous. Now imagine you need to sum multiple rows. Instead of manually entering the formula into every cell down the column, you can use the autofill feature to save time. Hover your mouse over the bottom right corner of cell D2, and you'll notice that the cursor changes to a small blue square. Click and drag this corner down through the cells where you want the formula to apply. Release your mouse after selecting the desired range, and Google Sheets will automatically fill in the sum formulas for each corresponding row. This handy feature ensures consistency and prevents errors, especially useful when dealing with extensive data. Just like that, you've efficiently summed columns in your Google Sheet. With continuous practice and exploration, you'll become even more proficient at navigating and manipulating data within Google Sheets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to like and subscribe if you want more tips and tricks on using Google Sheets effectively. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.